Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video I'll show you how to connect your RS3 to your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. Before we begin, we generally don't recommend this method for an N-trip rover or base rover pair, but there are some specific setups where this configuration can be advantageous, such as connecting to a base for your drone while simultaneously sharing that internet connection with your drone controller for maps. If you are setting up a network rover, please follow the links in the description to set up your rover over Bluetooth. Configuring your receiver to connect to your phone's hotspot will require two devices. I'll be using an iPhone and a computer. On the computer, we will connect to the RS3's Wi-Fi and log into the Reach panel using a web browser. Then go to the Wi-Fi settings. If you're using an iPhone, you'll need to open your personal hotspot settings for your hotspot to be visible to your receiver. On Android, you'll need to activate your hotspot and be able to see the hotspot icon in your status bar for visibility. Select your hotspot, input your password, and connect. When you open up Emlid Flow after you've connected, you should see a new IP address associated with your receiver. Once configured, you will need to have your hotspot ready on boot to have your receiver automatically connect. The Wi-Fi LED left of the power button on the RS2 and RS3 will display your receiver's Wi-Fi status. As displayed, you can determine whether you will need to manually go back into the settings to connect if the LED is solid white, meaning your receiver fell back to broadcasting its own Wi-Fi hotspot. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.